Hi children, let's learn phonics with the help of a song today. Okay? You just have to follow, look at me and Geeta ma'am and then do the actions. Okay? Let's begin. Hands on my arm. Hands on my arms. Hands on my arms. They are causing me an alarm. Hands on my arms. Hands on my arms. Hands on my arms. They are causing an alarm. Bring your bat and bring your ball. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. We are clicking castanets, cut, cut, cut. We are clicking castanets, cut, cut, cut. We are clicking castanets, we are clicking castanets, cut, cut, cut. So C makes K. See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play up on my drum.
Hey, do you remember this rhythm, children? Recite this one.
This old man, this is in the tune of This Old Man.
Yes.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da 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 da. See me play up on my drum. Now the next letter is E. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, Crack the eggs like this. How do you crack open an egg? Yeah.
You have to beat on the wall. Just crack it. That's it. But don't put it on the floor. It sticks.
Let's sing it one more time. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, Crack the eggs like this. Now the next letter F. My friends and I went to the beach with a floating fish. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. It got a hole, the air came out. Now the next letter is G. The water gurgles down the drain. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle. The water gurgles down the drain with a gurgle. So you need to practice this song, okay, and then sing and then send us the videos, okay?